Hello everyone, welcome to Smart Tech. Uh, Viewers, in front of you, HP LaserJet printer P1102, a famous model by HP company. It's a black LaserJet printer. Uh, Today I will teach you how to print a test page without connecting with the computer. If you have the same model 1102 and you don't want to connect with it with the computer and you want to make sure that the toner is fine and printer is feeding the paper well, so you can print a test page without connecting it with the computer. For this, guys, you have to this is the top cover. You have to continuously open and shut approximately 5 or 7 times, like this. I will do it now. So, say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exact numbers I don't know. I think 5 or 7 numbers. Look, I 7 times open it and close, and you'll see it will feed the paper. You can see the printer's print quality, and it will not print any configuration, just blank lines. You can see just printed the lines. With the help of this paper, you can see toner's quality and fuser unit progress and the feeder roller progress. So it seems fine, everything fine, and you can check this. For more, I will tell you, there is another model 1102W. If 1102W, you can print the self-test page by pressing the cancel button for 3 or 5 seconds, but this printer does not have any button, so that's why you can print this test page by just open and close this top cover 5 or 7 times. Okay guys, if you have any question regarding this model HP LaserJet 1102, you can ask me in comments. I will reply your queries. And if you really learn something from my videos, don't forget to like the videos. Take care guys, bye.